Hello, family. As I've been promising now, say at the camp with so I don't discover something. Now this Aje Safi in church. So I discover something at the background of in church. As I look, stop for watch and begin pay attention to the background of the church. I see this blue pyramid, and pyramid, the satanic people under this wall. Pyramid are one of the symbols that they use for opening up people in subconscious mind. For accept what they tell you. Remember I've been talking about blue color? The blue color ain't really dependent on the big symbol. As a way person then I stage the talk, the news people them. Remember I've been telling them this year, what I've been doing review on that. Now for open up your mind. And inside, when I look what's in the inside also. This thing I feel about dog, I feel about all kind of animal. You see eye, you see nose. This is not demon. Not demon. They try for put on the people in mind say, hey, we're not demon worshippers. You know, as I've been telling I try to say, anytime you gain information to people, anything you want to do to people, like for make them know, consciously or subconsciously, and I need to do. When I see the pyramid, the color blue is responsible for opening up your subconscious mind. And I don't know, try to do different, or plenty colors. I don't know what's happening now. I mean, I don't forget few colors then. You know, I know say red na blood. Red they make you uneasy, they make you fearful. That I make we go to McDonald's and Burger King inside and get bright color them. They get bright color in the restaurant. They know what else you don't do because they stress you out. Bright color they stress you out, especially red and yellow. Bright color then they stress you out. So that I make. Then they put them in that kind of restaurant like McDonald's, Burger King, for they just go they buy food, they come out. Because real restaurants that I make them color them like white, mellow colors them, for they able to sit down and eat. They want let you sit down, they want let you come, you know. So this, for tell God thank you as Sierra Leoneans, what this thing I don't get exposed nowadays. The good people in the background and they're on the walks, I'm telling you. They say they don't take out plenty of the underworld gods. Then they don't take them out. You know, about a month or two ago, this information self I get for bring out to them. So as a result, now them planning the field, things that they get exposed. So this na demon, this inside this thing, I look in here, I look in nose. Why else image like this for them at church? At least put Pekin there if you want put nice something Pekin or woman old Pekin or Jesus Christ himself. All church then how they see, but this not truly, clearly a satanic thing. So that looks for more.
We are the only ones that preach about Jesus, and that Jesus.
And I know like for this guy in voice self anyway. But all the same, I just want to show when I start to kind of tin them back. See when I see the pyramid, sorry, I've been paused this thing as to my mistake. I'm so sorry. So now let me continue. They try for catch the symbolism. When I see all the color them color, yeah. All them color. If you about Peking building. Well, this go tell when I say, and I saw then they you know, take over picking them back, picking them mind, small picking them. If I make them picking them grow up, become confused and get involved into negative stuff. You know? So now look all them here so. One side they wouldn't show the other side of the building, other side of the in place. When I so color this part here so now they try for catch. Okay. Hold on 1 minute. Okay. When I see color them, symbol, color, all kind color. I'll make this video small for let the image clear small bit. Okay. Now, when I see the young people on stage, they all wear uniform, they all wear yellow tie. They want to recruit them clearly. Now they want to go use now for the what you for do somebody to not plan like a body guide. I wonder what I this person look abnormal. So no, you don't feel about Sierra Leone and feel about some kind of rich person. Now they oversee things them. Look, all the young people are so. So do salon people when I go tell when people where they pandemic here, let them go clean themselves. Come up and then can't cheer so. You know? So I try for catch all the team back. Okay. When I see the color them, all them color are so. Red, blue, yellow, red, blue. Now like police. They get big blue now so. Blue na color way bad people that they use for draw your mind, open up your mind. And look red now so. Fiba picking place. You know? And by the way, without they making picking room, from now on, no put boku color in there, please. No put boku color in there, make them plain. Okay? And then people also where they control the one and then ideas and then they put their ideas in people. You know? So, that's why they work. Back click on this other video. When I see the color them, all kind color. All kind mix up color. So yeah, well, Pamela and the word that this for be a lesson to me. Okay? So I will do more digging on this guy. I will continue for do more digging. Okay? Well, bye.